how to do demo trading on ByBit, derivatives and spot trading. So ByBit offers demo trading for both derivatives and spot trading, allowing you to practice your strategies and get familiar with the platform without risking real funds. So first of all, you can simply open up the ByBit app and simply go to demo trading by simply going to this more option, and here you'll find a couple of options, and you could go to the demo trading or copy trading or trading bot option that you'd be able to find. So in this case, you can see demo trading right here. So I'll particularly go to that option there. Now once you're on the demo trading page, you'll see a virtual balance, right? So start with $100,000 demo assets. So this is a virtual balance, and choose between derivatives or spot trading. So here you can see trading, and you can choose between derivatives or spot trading. Here you can see over here, and you can start trading just as you would with your real account. Additional tips here is that unified trading account or UTA. ByBit's demo trading uses UTA, allowing you to explore various margin modes like isolated margin, cross margin and portfolio margin, unlimited refills. If your virtual balance runs low, it will automatically be refilled, so you can keep practicing. Returning to live trading. To exit demo trading, you can click on the start live trading particular option over here. And this is simply the way on how you can do demo trading on ByBit. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.